Hey, you all want to see that better video I was talking about of Midnight Special 1060? Well, here you go. Just brought it back home with me to New Jersey, and it's back. Now it's in its proper home, and it wasn't running the best last video, so I hooked it up to some cars I had, and we're gonna give this a go. And if you're thinking about where's that Mantua diesel at, well, my grandpa kept it. Let's give it a go. And as you can see, it runs very well now. And this is my temporary layout for a while until I start building the real one. If you want me to fire that one up, this one, it doesn't like reversing. Yeah, but this guy still has issues reversing. I'm just going to take it out and put it on the I'm going to show you that it still has issues even after repairing it. Needs probably good oiling, and that's what I'll give it. Notice how it has a bit of a struggle to go backwards. And it does not like going backwards. Unless I help it. It doesn't like going backwards. Yeah, it doesn't really like going backwards as much as it likes going forward. It is a little... If you want to know a little more about this one, it's from 1976. And if I can get the area, you see that area right there? Like right, if you look like in the truck, it's like very hard to see it, but that was originally all corroded up. My camera will focus. See that gray area where the steel is? That's still slightly corroded, which is likely preventing it from moving. And it also will need a new truck because that's where the couplers stay in. Yeah, it works perfectly fine though. Get on the track. I'll just leave there. And people are going to ask me, what is the new engine? Well, I didn't move anything. Okay. Let me get the new engine that I haven't shown anyone before. It's this guy. And why is it covered in rubber bands? Because it's like really, really mechanically works. This is the engine that nobody saw. And I was waiting to show it off because it's in pieces, as you can see. And this is the locomotive I plan on fully restoring. Mechanically it works, but it's just in pieces. The truck here is actually slipped off, and there's nothing holding it in. So if I took it off, it would come right out. So I just have it all together. It survived going back home with me, but I'll get this working pretty soon. I will be ordering the next parts loco, and I'll fix this thing up, and I'll do a proper running video of it, because this is beautiful. And well, there's Thomas still after the accident. And well, yeah, the other ones have a... And this guy, if you think this thing runs, it smells worse than it looks. And that doesn't work over there. But yeah, about the this beauty, truly, with the speed demon. Still goes pretty well, but I know some people might be questioning about the trolley. You know, the Tyco diesel's back at my grandpa wanted to keep that, so I left it there. This is a Bachmann. As you can see, that runs really well. As it goes around, you know, I'd be killing everyone on board. Yeah, that's good. Yep, it's running perfect. And that diesel from the repair video, one of the fastest things I own. Yeah, but everyone loves Midnight Special, and I hope to do another video with it in the coming future. With Thomas, we'll be back. But I know everybody loves the shark nose. Thank you for watching, and I will see everyone in the next video.